Okay, here we have a Plain Productions Latimer L5. It's got a little bit of a leak coming from the overflow plug. I think the thread is on its way out. It's the first time I've steamed this in a very long time. You don't really see these running that often at all. Very nice engine, very well designed, very simple clean lines, built sometime around the late 40s into the 50s. Very similar to the PW203 in the lubricator arrangement here and the style of the cranks and the flywheel, but very much in a style of its own, and very, very nice engine. So this one's just about on the boil now, so without any more chatting, we'll get this one going. There you have it. You can see that coming out there. Just put that one on there for a moment. This has got a two-armed burner, very similar to the PW203. I've just got the shorter arm burning at the moment. I really tend to find that the two arms, it's a little bit overwicked, really. Very smooth little runner. Much bigger than the smaller L4. There's virtually no similar parts in them at all, apart from maybe a couple of bits of pipe work and the safety valve. Really starting to get into its stride now. What a confident runner this is. Nice weighty flywheel there, which will give it plenty of pulling power. You can see that one's really leaking. The thread is definitely gone on that. Not a big engine, and it's much smaller than the D16 behind it. There's the boiler, feeds right into the inlet, so then drips straight onto the port faces and into the engine unit itself. Quite an efficient little oiler actually. You can see that one leaking there. There you have it. The Plain Productions Latimer L5.